Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Kamakshi Sridhar, and I work for Mavenir, where I'm VP of RAN Technology and Strategy, and I'm responsible for bringing in AI innovations into the company, along with a very strong team as well. I think AI is a growing area. It's definitely, there are a lot of lessons to be learned from industry professionals in both the deployment of solutions and in the practice of AI. And learnings from the deployment of AI across different industries definitely is always very interesting to me. Interesting insights from the speakers, particularly focused on use cases and how they built, how AI was successfully adopted into their workflow. So I think it's very interesting. It was also the issues on practice of AI, which is, I thought, very interesting. So AI is still in the early stages. There is a lot to be learned about AI. We are at a stage where we have gone past the experimentation. Certainly, there's a lot more experimentation to be done. But like last year was just pure experimentation. This year is going to be more of the bringing in to practice in a production manner and being able to successfully deploy it in customer networks. So AI itself, as was mentioned by one of the speakers, is not a single box. There are different types of AI, and it's evolving as we speak. There are different kinds of AI, what I call as classical AI. Then there's more of the reinforcement learning kind of AI approaches. Then there is obviously the LLMs, which are the generative AI, and then there's now the agential AI applications. So we're going to see a proof of concepts and also more deployments into many of these. Some of these are farther along compared to others, so agential AI is relatively new, but some of the other ones have been in the works for actually a few years now, more than about 3-4 years. So we're going to see customers adopt AI and also build it, integrate it into their workflow course. So it's not a technology, it's not a software that you give. It actually requires organization transformation. And I think that's what you're going to see in the coming years. I think the future of AI is what is going to be is it's going to be seamlessly integrated into our lives. We're not even going to know it's AI driven as we are today. Today, I think when we look at a movie, we get recommendations based on what AI is suggesting, right? So if I saw, for example, a movie on an action movie, it's quite likely that the next few recommendations will be an action movie, or going to Amazon and buying a product. Well, it's quite likely the next few products they'll give you interesting recommendations. So AI will get infused into our daily workflow. It is also true that we'll see, I think we will also see some projects not cross the finish line simply because the expectations were not set up properly, because the workflows were not set up properly. So you're going to have this mixed bag, but I'm very excited about seeing AI enter into new domains as well.